Hi, buddy. Hi. How's it going, sweet cat? Yes. Today is Tuesday, October 16th, I think. Might be 17th. I think it might be the 17th. It doesn't matter. It's cresting mid-October, and the month is progressing. We've had a lot of rain lately. Hasn't been too cold, surprisingly. We've actually been getting temperatures in the 60s during the day, maybe a little warmer on a sunny day, maybe a little cooler on a rainy day. And at night it's in the 50s, so things are still alive. Looking pretty rough though. I just deadheaded the Cosmos, and I left the ones that still looked pretty. It's just about sunset. Got some bird action. I've been really diligent about cutting off the zinnia heads at this point and encouraging any of the buds that are left to actually blossom. And I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but there are quite a few buds up there that are ready to pop. So that's cool. I just cleaned up Foxglove Corner. It was looking pretty bad. The rain really beat it down, and a lot of the leaves got slimy and rotten from all of the mud that splashed up. I think I'm going to end up putting some leaves underneath of them to help with the mud splash, you know, when we get the heavy rains. We'll see how that goes. This is so funny. I took the green onions out of their pots a few weeks ago, and they're still alive back here. And with all the rain we've gotten, they've grown a little. I actually harvested off of these plants like a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks. Had them in my salad, which was great. Really need to find some time to start ripping things out. The tomatoes are next on the list. There are a lot of red tomatoes, but they don't taste very good. So that's a shame. But they served me well. They served us well, I should say. And yeah, I'm staying on top of the zinnias. I've been cutting off any of the really diseased parts that have like powdery mildew, which is so funny because I've been dusting this patch with sulfur powder, but I wasn't able to get up high because I didn't want to hurt the pollinators, and that's where the powdery mildew is forming, on the top. But everything down below that's been sulfured has been fine. So that stuff really works. It's pretty incredible. I love how things get wild at this time of year. big question for me at this point is how to properly overwinter things, and I've been doing a lot of like YouTubing, trying to figure that out. As I've shown, I do have a greenhouse in our garage, but I've still had a lot of our plants out on the south side of the house because we've still had some warm sunny days, and a few of them are going to just live on that side throughout the winter. Depending on what the weather does, I still might be able to come out here and admire the flowers for, I don't know, another week or two, another 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It's so funny, look. If only the weather would stay nice, these things would just keep going. So I'm in limbo land with the garden, but it's starting to really wind down, as you can see. We've got some blue skies, which is nice. And I'll go out front and silently film some of the footage, silently film some of the flowers and plants on the south side of the house. So I'll head out there now. The marigolds are kind of like my mums. These are the coreopsis that I did get a chance to separate. I've got one here and one there. And I just gave them a soap and neem oil treatment because they had aphids. So hopefully they make it. I'll be bringing those into the garage soon. But they're looking really good. Lemon balm, white yarrow, going strong. This is funny down here. I did not think this would flower. And that is a black-eyed Susan. All the black-eyed Susans that I have are Indian summer variety. Here's a larger one. And the zinnias, which look super cute. And I got 2 red ones, which I'm so excited about. And there's lots of buds that may or may not open. Hard to say. And a spearmint that's really winding down. Nothing more relaxing than this for me.